fix mouse lag, jumping, or stuttering on Windows 10 or 11. So if your mouse is not running quite smoothly, first of all, check if it's not the issue with the mouse. You can try to reconnect other mouse to other USB port and see if that actually helps you. Because sometimes any dust or debris on the mouse could also cause this issue. But other things you can try to do is you can simply try to open up your device manager here. Then once you try to open up your device manager, you will see this type of interface. Then once you hear what you want to do is simply go to this option called mouse or monitors or mice and other pointing devices. Right here you can see input and whatever. You want to make sure to update whatever drivers you see inside of this. Right click on update and click on search automatically for drivers. Now if it's quite not sensitive enough, you can increase the sensitivity by going to mouse settings. If your mouse comes with a dedicated DPI, then you can also press the DPI button on your mouse to increase the speed. Or here you can see the pointer option and lines to scroll at a time. You can select that as well. Multiple lines at a time, additional mouse settings. You can also obviously fix those. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.